Hello, this is Mr. Dugas, and Mrs. Stein and I have been working together to help students use a program in the classroom for music class. It is called Quaver Music. Our goal is to help these students use the program at home. In order for them to use it at home, the first thing they would need to do is open their internet browser. And I'm going to open a new tab here, and I can search the term Google Sign-In. That's the first step. They need to log into their school Google account. And when they do that, they should get to a screen that looks like this. It will say enter your email. The first job is for them to enter their student number. I have a student here whose account I'm borrowing. So it's their student number at students.mentorschools.org. That whole thing is their username, and it needs to be accurate. If they're missing a letter, it will not work. Then they're going to go to the next screen, and they're going to enter their password. Again, students should know this, but it's capital first initial, lowercase last initial, dot, their lunch pin. And if I have done this correctly, it should sign me in as the student. And it has. And I know that I'm in because this up here tells me that I am that student. Now, I'm going to go to quavermusic.com, and now that I'm already logged into Google, I can click login up here, and when I scroll down, there's a sheep, and next to the sheep, it's sign in with Google. What that does is it recognizes the student may already be signed in with Google, which in this case he is, and when I click that one time, it's going to take me to Quaver Music. It's going to allow me into the program. If you don't have Adobe Flash, you're going to want to go ahead and install that. And it takes just a second. It runs. Now I'm into the program. There's one more thing that Mrs. Stein and I would like to mention. It's before they get in here, there is a chance that it might ask them for a teacher class code. They should not have to enter that because they should have already taken care of that in class. But if for some reason, if they were absent or for some reason that message does pop up that they need a teacher's class code, we are going to provide that in the message that came with this email. Please feel free to email myself, dugas@mentorschools.org, or Mrs. Stein to help troubleshoot anything that might pop up as students try this program at home. Thank you for your cooperation.